Good day and welcome to the Weather Centre this Sunday. It's a warm day across South Africa, and except for thunder showers in the Eastern Cape today, we're not expecting any precipitation. But although it's been fairly warm in the Western and Eastern Cape over the past couple of days, it's a cooler week ahead. Let's take a look at the past 12-hour satellite loop. There's still remnants of high cloud over the central interior, and it was a cloudy start to the day along the Western Cape South Coast and the Eastern Cape coastline, with fog patches visible along the West Coast as well. This afternoon's going to be a hot one in the West Coast district as well as the Lowveld, while thunderstorms are likely in the Eastern Cape. Fine and dry conditions for most this Monday, but a cold front will have a cooling effect along the south coast, where we can expect rain later on Monday, and this will be the cause of cooler weather over the southern parts and western parts of South Africa during the course of the week. There's a 40% chance of thunder showers in the vicinity of Beaufort West this afternoon, as well as over the interior of the Eastern Cape, but we're keeping the forecast for Port Elizabeth dry. Northwesterly winds reach up to 20 kilometers per hour in Upington and De Aar. Fresh southeasterlies likely in Cape Town and Port Elizabeth, with light winds over the northern and eastern interior. It's a hot afternoon in the Northern Cape, highs of 32 in Upington, 31 expected in Vredendal, Cape Town with a maximum of 27 and 23s for George, Port Elizabeth and East London, while Johannesburg and Bethlehem stays cooler in the mid-20s. Overnight temperatures in the single digits in the Free State, down to 7 degrees in Bloemfontein, 11 overnight in Mahikeng, while Johannesburg drops to a low of 10. It's going to be a warm start to the day along the KwaZulu-Natal coastline with 20s in Durban and Richards Bay, while Cape Town drops to 17 degrees overnight. In Pretoria this afternoon, mostly sunny conditions with a high of 27 and very light northwesterlies accompany that. Overnight temperatures drop to 12. We're expecting light and variable winds with mostly clear skies in the Jacaranda city. On Monday, cooler weather is setting in over the Western and Eastern Cape, while we're expecting a fine and warm afternoon over the northern parts of South Africa. And on Tuesday, it becomes cold in the northern and Western Cape, while showers and thunderstorms develop over the central parts as well. That's all from the Weather Centre. Have a wonderful day.
Know more about your world.
eNCA.com